out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a looker. 1957 Chevrolet Apache 3100. Good looking fleet side. Take a look at the stance on this. Riding on US Mags wheels. This blue metallic paint really pops. Good looking color in this truck. Black interior. Small block Chevy 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Take a look at the chrome. Bright work, grille, headlight surrounds up front here. Nicely equipped also. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look at the shine on that hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one, folks. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's the easiest way to do it. From there, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Give me a good idea what those wheels look like up close. Nice looking 5-spoke, polished outer ring. Just take a peek down the passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight. Nice luster to that paint. A little highlight pinstriping down the center. Just a touch of silver and red. Really sets this truck off. Nice highlight up here too. That wraparound rear window. Interior redone just within the past year. Tees seat up front, bench seat, nice comfortable seats to ride in, tilt column. Left the radio on. I wanted to show you the radio is working. We'll get around to start it up here in just a second too. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at that chrome in the rear bumper. Boy, this truck shines. There's no doubt about that between the chrome and the paint. And how about the bed? Absolutely. Bed looks as well as the rest of this truck. Fuel cell in the rear, fill right there. If you like these mid-50s or late 50s Chevy pickups, maybe just like trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'd never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles you see in them are available to purchase off our website, or of course our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. You can see up and down the driver's side. Paint looks good too. No major nicks, dings, or scratches I've seen. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, what a sharp truck. This is definitely a head turner. Great truck for your local roll-ins, car shows, car cruise-ins. I have a feeling this one might take home some trophies. Door panel looks good. And again, interior redone within the last year. Some new carpeting, and again, tees seat belts intact, everything looking good here. How about headliner installed up there? Yes. Visor on the driver's side here. Tilt column. Dakota digital gauges. I wanted to make sure so
20-year,
radio does work.
200,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. Looking to get the most.
So radio working. Let's go ahead. Fire this up. Dash painted to match, exterior of the truck. AC and fan controls underneath the dash. Again, AC blows cold. Dakota digital. I believe the tech mentioned the fuel sender may need a little attention on the fuel gauge. Otherwise, the rest of the gauges looking good. So nice looking, comfortable interior. Door closes nicely. Listen. This does have newer mufflers on it. True dual exhaust all the way to the rear. Headers. We're going to pop the hood open. Check out that engine bay here in a second. All right, get an idea how it sounds. Also wanted to note that it does have a new inner tie rod end. When we pop this hood, you're going to see it has an aluminum radiator. Again, I mentioned headers. Newer mufflers will be on the underside picture. You can see them. Edelbrock floor barrel. And let me pause this a second so we can get this hood open and check those things out. Well, look at this. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about this engine bay? There it is. 350 small block Chev. Get an aluminum radiator. AC compressor, power steering, power brakes. Some nice chrome bright work dress up underneath there. Battery disconnect for in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. Edelbrock intake manifold. Nice setup, folks. Stick around a little longer where you have Jason take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out those still pictures. 507-386-1726. Number to call. Look at the stance. It's a good looking truck. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1957 Chevrolet pickup truck, a 3100 pickup truck with an automatic right here on the column for the transmission. Dakota digital gauges. There is an aftermarket stereo in the dash that does power up. Air conditioning blows ice cold in this truck. If you're ready for a summer ride, this one will keep you cool. Those blue digital gauges matching the blue on the truck, very nice. Fuel gauge is reading 7, which I believe would be about 7% full possibility. The tachometer right in the middle, that's working great. Volts are 13.5. We're doing 49 miles an hour. Water temperature 175 and rising. It's nice having those digital gauges. You get very accurate measurements. Oil pressure 68 psi. Very nice vinyl, or looking like, kind of like leather on this seat. Bench seat in this truck. The paint follows through to the interior, that nice blue paint with black carpet. This truck starts up right away, idles nicely. Smooth running truck, sounds great. We got the aftermarket steering wheel with some finger grooves on the back. Always a nice touch. Really good looking truck. One of Chevy's best truck body styles in my opinion. Corners as it should for a 57 Chevrolet truck, even though it is street rotted a little bit. There's that rumble when you put your foot down. Great exhaust note in this truck. Beautiful wood in the bed. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays straight in the lane. Very nice power steering, super easy to drive. Great looking Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.